Winter weather advisory in effect from 1 p.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. EST Thursday. What? Mixed precipitation expected. Total snow and sleet accumulations of up to 1 inch and ice accumulations around 1 to 2/10 of an inch. Where? Portions of north central and northwest Ohio. When? From 1 p.m. Wednesday to 7 a.m. EST Thursday. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday evening and Thursday morning commutes. Additional details. A mix of snow, sleet, and freezing rain will move into north central and northwest Ohio late Wednesday afternoon. The heaviest precipitation is expected Wednesday evening through early Wednesday night. Adjustments to precipitation type remain possible depending on the exact track of the low, and that could lead to slightly higher or lower amounts of snow and freezing rain. Slow down and use caution while traveling. The Ohio Department of Transportation and Ohio Turnpike and Infrastructure Commission strongly encourage motorists to heed all travel restrictions and delay unnecessary travel. Visit www.ogo.com for the latest travel, roadway, and traffic conditions.